today we are playing Barbie's Fashion Closet. There is an Easter fashion pack that is now available for $7.99. Now that is an in-app purchase, so we're going to check it out so you can see what's inside. So first thing we have to do is pick out a girl. Let's start with her. She looks super excited. Okay, so one thing that is also new with this update is that you can change your Barbie's facial features, which is so cool. So we can change the shape of her lips to really have fun customizing her entire look. I love this so much. Okay, let's give her those lips. We can change her nose. We can give her a different shaped nose. This is so awesome. Wow. Can you imagine if you could then print out your Barbie or like have your specialty Barbie made? How cool would that be? All right, I like that nose. Let's pick out some eyes. We can change the shape of her eyes. This is so cool. Okay, and her eye color. So we can even decide on what color her eyes can be. Now this was not a feature that was available before. This is all new, so it's super exciting. Ooh, lavender eyes. However, I think I'm gonna go ahead and stick with the brown eyes. So, moving on. Now in this Easter pack, we are now gonna be able to see what's available. And all we have to do is look for the Easter egg. There it is. So we can get this really cool little tattoo, eyebrow tattoo, I guess. It's like a flower across the eyebrows. Or we can do a bunny face. Or have fun with her eyelashes. Let's try the little flower thing. Let's just go all out here. And we just color it in with our little magic applicator brush here, which is so much fun. I love it. I went with something very subtle, you know, just subtle little eyebrow thing there. And now we're gonna pick out her hairstyle. So we're looking for the eggs. Oh, we have 3 different hairstyles in this pack. This one has a really pretty little flower crown. We see some bunny ears and a tiara. Let's go with the flower crown. I like that. And since this is like Easter, let's make her hair a crazy color too. How about pink? I like pink hair. I think it totally rocks. Alright, so that's our current look. We're going forward to find out what's in the closet. Let's start with the 2-piece. So we'll go with a top and a bottom. And the new outfit here, or the new shirt here. Come on, come on. Where is the new shirt? We're looking for that Easter egg, and there it is. So 1, I think. Okay, so I only see 1, right? Am I right? Right? Yeah, just 1 egg. So we have a yellow shirt with a little flower on it. That's pretty cute. Let's see what we have in the next category, which is like skirts, shorts, pants, things like that. And even though I kind of like the skirt she's wearing right now, it actually goes quite nicely. We're gonna see what is available with this Easter egg. And here we go. A blue pencil skirt. Okay, all right, let's keep going. Let's see what else there is, or what else there, yeah. Let's see what else there is, and let's find her some shoes. So we have bunny shoes, little sneakers, those are cute. We have some sparkly heels, and we have a flat that looks like an Easter egg. I like that. I think we'll stick with that because her whole outfit is very, very colorful. So let's go with that. She seems to like it. She's like, yeah, totally awesome. Now we get to pick out a new background. There is an Easter background, and it is so cute. You're in the backyard. There's a fence with a bunny and some butterflies that are actually moving. I like that. So depending on when you take your photo, depends on where your butterflies are. So that's gonna be really fun. All right, see, yeah, it's looking good. So let's see, what's next? Oh, her pose. So we should have new poses available. And I see 2. We have one very powerful pose here, and we have a cute little Easter bunny in a basket. Oh, that is adorable. Okay, let's go with that. That is super cute. who doesn't love an Easter bunny? She's like holding the bunny and it's all loving. Now we could pick out a filter or we can keep going. I kind of like mine to be filterless, you know, no filter. And then we're gonna find a border. So I see 3 borders that are available. We have one with polka dots, we have one with Easter eggs, and we have one with bunnies, chicks, and flowers. So those are some pretty cool options that are available in this Easter pack. And I usually go without a border. So where is the no border thing? There we go. Yes. Ah, I love it. Now there are stickers. So after you add your border, you can add some stickers. And the stickers that are in this pack, where are those stickers? Right here, we have Easter eggs. So those are really cute. You can make them as big or as small as you like to add stickers to your picture and customize it. Now, to tell you the truth, I would like the stickers a whole lot more if they didn't have the white trim around it. Now, the white trim makes it look like a sticker, but if it didn't have the white trim, then you could customize the picture and make it look like those items are actually there. And I think that would be so awesome. So that's something hopefully the designers of the game will think about in the future. Yeah, just saying. This is my personal opinion, of course. And here's our girl. There she is with her Easter basket and her outfit, ready to go find some eggs. Now let's, oh, we got a present. Ooh, what's our present? New shoes, because we completed an outfit. Yeah, who doesn't love new shoes? That is so awesome. We're gonna go ahead and try out another outfit. This is one of my favorite dolls. I usually use this one when I'm pretending like I'm dressing up Sophie. So let's see. Now we could change her lips too. Ooh, I am really liking this customizing tool here. Come on, what do we have here? What do we have? Which lips are we gonna choose? Let's go with that. And I like her nose already. Her eyes are perfect. Eye color is great. Oh, we can even change her eyebrows. We didn't do that in the last one. Let's give her some nice thick eyebrows. I love thick eyebrows. I guess those are pretty thick. I guess this is as good as we're gonna get right now. So we're gonna go with that. Now we can pick out some makeup, but I like it fairly simple, so I'm gonna keep it how it is. Let's try out one of those really cool Easter hairdos or spring hairdos. However you want to look at it. I'm gonna go with the bunny ears this time. Oh, I love it! And we're gonna keep her hair purple, like our whole Easter egg theme thing going on here with these bright color hair. So yeah, let's keep the pastels going. She's like, yes, fabulous! This time we're gonna pick out a dress or see what dresses are available. And let's see, we're looking for that Easter egg. We're looking for that Easter egg, and we have 2 options in the dress area. There is an all-white dress with a cute little pink belt. I really like this. And then there is a fancy princess gown. With butterflies and flowers and pink and ruffles. Oh, fabulous. But you know me, I'm personally gonna go for that white dress because it just looks like something you would actually wear. So I love it. Now let's pick out some shoes. We've already seen our shoe options. So I think I'm gonna go with the tennis shoes. Just because I love dresses and sneakers. I mean, I could be fabulous and comfortable at the same time, right now? That's how I see it. Here we go, some sneakers. I'm loving those bunny ears on those sneakers with the bunny ears in her hair and the white and pink dress. The look works. Probably should have went with pink hair, but then that would have been too pink. So yeah, the purple throws in a little variety. Now we're gonna throw her into our garden like the other character before, and let's pick out a pose. She's like, yes, so cute. That's a cute pose there too. That's like quite perfect, I do love it. But I think we're gonna try out that super powerful look there. She looks like Superwoman. Or Supergirl. Yes, Supergirl. She's like, yeah, I'm rocking this. I look fabulous. All right, so that is definitely our look for her. Oh, I like it. The Easter pack pack or a spring pack, however you want to look at it, seems like a lot of fun. There are a lot of options here, and I love getting the new poses. That's like one of my favorite things, and the new backgrounds. So, and you get both. You get 2 new poses and a new background. Pretty cool. One other thing that they have added to the Barbie Fashion Closet, oh, I just got another present, which is a skirt, is that now when you decorate your characters, they stay that way on the home page. So you can go back into the game and take another picture and change their pose without having to redecorate them all over again, which is a really cool update. So thank you so much for joining us while we take a look at the Barbie Fashion Closet Easter Fashion Pack, and we will see you next time. Bye!